What's up guys, it's me Gmail. So here is a Bluetooth foldable keyboard unboxing and review. Yes, you heard me right. Okay, here we go. The keyboard is called FK608. Okay, and here is the keyboard as you can see, and this is the micro USB cable which you get with it. So here we go. Okay, the first impression is quite good. It's quite good. It's easily fold down as you can see and easily open. Okay, where to turn it on? I don't know literally where to turn this thing on. Okay, there is no turning on button, to be honest with you. Let me just pick up the box which I throw inside. Will be some valuable information, to be honest with you. Okay, here's the box, and then here's the manual. Sometimes you really have to read the manual. Okay. So here it is. I need to charge it, so now it's already charged, I think so. So here's my Galaxy Tab S3. Okay, here we go. And then I'm gonna connect with the Bluetooth. Okay, come on. Okay, so first I have to press the function Android. Let me see the battery. Come on, who the hell is telling you to close, to be honest with you? Scan. Let me open it again. Function alert. Function Android. Function C. Come on, I wanna connect, man. Function alert. Come on. Come on. Okay, yeah. Now just trying to pair it. Yeah, it's connected. It's connected. As you can see. Okay, I need to make the screen lower, right? Can you say it's connected? Which is awesome, to be honest with you. Okay. Okay, that's awesome. Function F2. Okay. Okay, let me see. That's awesome, to be honest. It's working quite good. It's working quite good. But let me do the typing test. Yeah. I'm gonna do the typing test. Typing test. Okay. Let's jump to the typing test and let me show you. Okay. Let's begin. Okay, the shift key is quite small. To be honest with you, it's harder to press. It's not easy to type when the shift key is really very small. I did like 23 words per minute. It's not that easy to recommend. I mean, I don't know what to say. Again, you only but judge. The typing is not that great. The link will be in the description box below. Maybe I can't recommend a subscribe and bye.